Hello, Team Abbott. Lida Citroen here. Remember last year when we gathered to discuss the fundamentals of personal branding and self-marketing? Well, great news. I'll be joining you live and by webcam in Phoenix for a 3-hour workshop to take our learning to the next level. We'll talk about personal branding and leadership skills. Now, don't worry if you missed last year's program, because I'll provide a refresh on what a clear and compelling personal brand offers you. We'll review things like why personal branding matters, how to build your brand so others are clear about the value you offer, different ways to showcase your brand through your elevator pitch, your networks, your digital presence and your image. And we'll build on that learning to discuss advanced ways of self-marketing yourself as a leader to your team and your colleagues. As veterans, you know that leadership is not a job title, it's a mindset. And in our program in Phoenix, we'll talk about leadership and what it means to lead others today and into the future. We'll dive deeper into values and value proposition. We'll discuss metrics and tools used to measure impact. And I'll share additional tools that successful leaders use, such as mentoring and vulnerability. We've got a great program planned for you in February, so get ready to learn how to be the best version of you. I'll see you soon.